So two more disorders were left, that is thalassemia. Thalassemia was previously not included in your NCERT book. Okay, before 3 or 2 years, it's a new topic included in your NCERT book. Earlier just the name was mentioned, the disease. Okay, that's thalassemia is a Mendelian disorder, but now here you will get about the details in your new book. Okay, so I will begin. Thalassemia. Is a type of autosomal recessive trait. So autosomal means it takes place at the autosomes, not in the sex chromosomes. Okay, you can just keep in mind the word ART, autosomal recessive thalassemia. Okay, so in case of thalassemia, 2 chromosomes are affected, that is chromosome 16 and chromosome number 11. Okay, we know the hemoglobin molecule consists of 2 alpha chains and 2 beta chains. Okay, whenever there is mutation or deletion in the alpha or beta gene, okay, it gives rise to thalassemia. Whenever the person, let us take, this is the father and this is the mother. Okay, so whenever both the parents are carrier, then only the offspring can be affected by thalassemia, because it is a autosomal recessive disorder. Okay, so it is very important that both the parents need to be the carrier. Okay, so very important that both the parents need to be carrier, then only the offspring will inherit the trait. What are the so thalassemia leads to anemia, and we have already studied about anemia. আৰু এটা cause কি আছিল anemia? What was the another cause? Sickle cell anemia. হয় নাই? So thalassemia also leads to anemia because it is affecting the hemoglobin moiety of our body. Whenever the hemoglobin moiety of our body is affected, it will result in cause of anemic disease. Okay, so the alpha chain and beta chain. So thalassemia, till now we have learned that thalassemia is a kind of autosomal recessive trait. We can keep in mind ART, so that autosomal recessive. Okay, so it affects the chromosome number 16 or 11. Okay, it will result in anemia because it attacks the hemoglobin moiety. And it is very necessary for both the parents to act as carrier for the offspring to be thalassemic, because it is a kind of autosomal recessive trait. Now we will study in details what happens and what are the genes involved. So thalassemia is of two types. One is alpha and another is beta thalassemia. Whenever there is change in the alpha chain, okay, whenever there is a change in the alpha chain, it will give rise to alpha. Whenever there is mutation or deletion in the alpha chain, it will give rise to alpha thalassemia. And whenever there is mutation or deletion in the beta chain of hemoglobin, then it will give rise to beta thalassemia. Okay, in both the cases the quantity of hemoglobin decreases. This point is very important because in sickle cell anemia, what was the condition? Was the quantity decreasing or the quality of the hemoglobin was changed? Structure was changing. हाँ, तो याते की होय quantity of the hemoglobin decreases. So here quality is reduced. Sorry, quantity is reduced. So in both the cases results in the decrease of the HB quantity, hemoglobin quantity. Alpha thalassemia is controlled by gene HB1 and HBA2, which is present in chromosome number 16. Okay, so alpha thalassemia is controlled by the gene HBA1 and HBA2, which is present in chromosome number 16. These genes can be both from the father side or mother side. So total number of genes are, there are 4 genes. Is it clear? So total there will be 4 genes which influence the alpha thalassemia. And as much as changes, jodi father or changes thake, mother or changes thake, jimane besi changes hoy, himane besi person to anemic hobo. Okay, jimane besi changes hobo, jimane besi mutation hobo. Either eta genot mutation holeo it will result in thalassemia, or either more than 1 or more than 2 genes jimane besi tumar effect hobo, jimane besi reduce hobo, himane besi amar ki hobo, we will see the person suffering from thalassemia. So alpha thalassemia occurs in chromosome number 16 due to presence of the gene HBA1 and HBA2. Okay, and it এটা হলে নহয় এইটো সোৱা মই জিনটোৰ কথা কৈছো এই জিনটো মানে লাইক ফাদাৰৰ পৰা হলে হ'ব মানে আহিব লাগিব ন both the parents carrier হ'ব লাগিব কিন্তু মানে লাইক either father পৰা আহিব পাৰে নহলে mother পৰা আহিব পাৰে মই কন্ডিশনটো কৈছো যে দুইটা carrier হ'ব লাগিব কিন্তু but father পৰা আহিলেও it will affect okay mother to carrier হৈ যাব ঠিক আছে so NCERT line to mention kora ase cause due to mutation or deletion of one or more of the 4 genes NCERT bookot saba line to mention kora ase exactly cause due to mutation or deletion of one or more of the 4 genes if sarita gene or one or more than one genes or mutation hole amar thalassemia hoi jabo pare okay jekinu eta hole hobo next hole beta thalassemia. Beta thalassemia ki hoy? It is controlled by a single gene present in chromosome number 11. The name of the gene is HBB gene. Okay, so HBB gene to it will result in less amount of beta globin. As a result, the HB quantity lessens. So beta thalassemia is due to HBB gene present in the chromosome number 11, and alpha thalassemia is due to the HBA1, HBA2 genes present in the chromosome number 16. Okay, clear? Aru yare sickle cell anemia logo difference etwe hoy. Sickle cell anemia, last line mentioned in your NCERT book. Sickle cell anemia is a qualitative trait, whereas thalassemia is a kind of quantitative trait. Okay, so sickle cell anemia logot etwe difference hoy, both results in anemia. Okay, but sickle cell anemia is a qualitative trait. Tate quality degrade ho jay, tate RBC structure to sickle shape ho jay. Kintu thalassemia ki hoy, quantity to lessen ho jay, which affects the hemoglobin molecule as a whole. So hemoglobin e ki koribo nware, hemoglobin e jeta amar blood production blood oxygen molecules bilak carry koribo nware. So as a result, the person will suffer from anemia. Okay, so this is what we need to know about thalassemia. Just keep in mind the genes and the types: alpha thalassemia, HBA1, HBA2, chromosome number 16, beta thalassemia, chromosome 11, HBB gene. Okay, or difference to sickle cell anemia or thalassemia major difference to. So now we will move towards color blindness. The color blindness to agote mention kora nasile. Itya NCERT bookot mane agote mention asile, just itya details ot dise. So color blindness. Color blindness is a type of sex-linked recessive disorder. It occurs due to defect of either rod or cone shells of eye. So, a person suffering from color blindness cannot detect the color red or green color properly. Okay, so it occurs due to defect of either red or green cone cells of the eye, and they are named as types of color blindness duta hoy. First to hole proteronopia. Proteronopia is due to jitya a person can't see the red color properly. Okay, proteronopia is when a person can't see the red color properly, and the second is deuteranopia. Deuteranopia, a person is not able to see the green color properly. So color blindness when an individual is not able to see the red color, the disease is known as proteronopia, and deuteranopia when the individual can't see the green color properly. And the chromosome that is responsible is the X chromosome. Chromosome responsible for color blindness is X chromosome. Whenever there is mutation in the X chromosome, it will give rise to color blindness. But mention kora ase male suffers more from color blindness than female. What's the reason behind it? So NCERT value to diya ase as a whole 8% frequency of color blindness in male is 8%, whereas in female it is 0.4% only. Why is this the reason? So frequency of color blindness in male is 8%, whereas in female it is 0.4%. So that is the reason behind this. So eto hobo normal man with XY. Hoi gol. So at a infected panot ki hobo, we will have this. So the person will be infected color blind male. Normal male. Okay, second case of ki hobo, in case of, this is a case of female. Ki hobo yate suppose A2 karne trait 2 in this case the female won't inherit the trait because A2 dominant hisapot kam koribo, and it can be only expressed in case of recessive. So whether mane jodi the female will have this kind of XC, okay, but still yate ki hobo, woman will be normal, the phenotype to normal hobo. Okay, next, just if both the female if both the allele have the CC gene, tetya only in this condition the female will be color blind. So although in female XC allele is present, still the phenotype can be normal. But in case of male, jotia XC thakibo, in that case it will be always a color blind male. So buji paisa ratio to kyo frequency to male at kyo besi, because a single X chromosome thake male at hoy na nai. So whenever the XC is present, tetyai hoi jabo male is color blind. But in case of female, jodi eta XC thake, XC allele thake, tityo the woman will be normal. Okay, it will only result in color blind female when both the alleles have XC. Is it clear? So keep in mind that frequency of color blindness in male is 8% or female at bahut less, 0.4%, because in male only one X chromosome is present, and eta X chromosome ote jodi color blindness or allele to thake tetya hole ki hoy jabo, the person will be color blind, whereas in female it won't, the female would have a normal phenotype. Okay, clear? Clear everyone? Okay. So there is another topic, that is sex determination of honey bee. जो एता लाइन बहुत ट्रिकी के दिया से. Okay, honey bee total number of chromosomes kiman hoy? Anyone? Twice n equal to 32, n will be equal to 16. Okay, so this is in case of honey bee. So honey bee ki ase? Under honey bee we find 3 types of division of labor between queen, worker aru ki thake, drone thake. Queen aru worker are female, whereas drone is the male. First case of saba, N is the haploid gamete, fuses with the another haploid gamete to form zygote, which is twice n. ठीक है से? And this twice n is the ploidy of the female. Secondly, in case whenever unfertilized egg, jitya egg to fertilize no hoy, then keep in mind unfertilized egg, that is the ploidy will be N. It will undergo parthenogenesis to produce another, giving rise to drone. So drone will have 16 as the chromosome number, and this will have 32. तो बुझी पैसा एटू. तो in case of honey bee, the total number of chromosome is twice n mane whole 32, n whole 16. In honey bee, we find 3 kinds of division of labor, mane 3 types of organism. ভিতৰত সোমাই থাকে first worker, queen আৰু drone. Worker আৰু queen whole female, drone whole male. In first case, whenever 2 haploid gametes fuses, it will give rise to zygote. যেতিয়া zygote hobo, zygote hodai twice n, because this is haploid, this is haploid. Fuse hobo twice n. Twice n যেতিয়া hobo, আমি হেতু গম পাম হেতু hobo female, that's female. Okay. Second case aru eta hobo pare unfertilized egg. Keep in mind, unfertilized egg can undergo parthenogenesis to give rise to another n that behaves as a drone, and drone is the male, and drone that kiman chromosome thake? Drone has n, mane that is 16 chromosomes. So ekhine clear. It is next hole. This is the process. What is the process undergoing here? Mitosis ne meiosis? Yate ki undergo korise? Reductional division ne equational division? Equational division, that is mitosis. Aru yate undergo korise meiosis. So A2 point mention kora ase, okay? Drone is formed by mitosis. NCERT bookot mention kora ase, drone is formed by or produced by mitosis. So etu kotha monot rakhiba. Drone is produced through mitosis. Aru eta important line mention kora ase, males produce males do not have father okay, males do not have father and sons, but have grandfather and grandsons. So a line to keniki explain koriba? Males do not have father and sons, but have grandfather and grandsons. So swa, this is a male. Male to kor pra hoise? Unfertilized egg, which is a female. Unfertilized egg, hoy ne? So male, did male have a father? So father is absent. Hoy gol. But this n comes from kor pra is an2. Obviously twice n or kobar pra ahibo, hoy nai? Whenever this zygote to jete grow koribo, zygote to further fertilized hole ki hobo hetu pra n produce hobo na. So father na thake, but it will come from grandfather. So an2 kor pra ahise? An2 finally ahise something from twice n or pra, jetya ako ploidy form hoise tar pra ahise na. This is the unfertilized egg. So etu grandfather ase na, although it don't have a father but grandfather ase. Similarly a je n2 ase, it can also combine with another egg, okay, and produce twice n. Twice n hole ki hoy jabo etu? Female ne male? Female hoy jabo. तो sons থাকিব না না থাকে? Sons না থাকে, okay? তো father আৰু sons না থাকে, but কি থাকিব? Grandfather আৰু grandson থাকিব. বুজিছা? Okay? So এইটো লাইন বহুত contradicting হয়. মই PDF ত cross টো ভালকে mention কৰি দিছো, তোমালোকে চাই লবা. So the next topic we will be learning is polygenic inheritance. Polygenic. Polygenic mane? Poly means many. Polygenic inheritance. Poly means many, genic comes from genes. तो आमी की চাইছিলো आमी इनिशियली চাইছো কি এটা ট্ৰেটৰ কাৰণে কেইটা জিন থাকে two genes. Okay, whenever আমি আগৰ পৰা চাইছো কি whenever suppose কি আছে এটা character আছে that is stem heighter কাৰণে দুটা gene থাকে. Okay, কিন্তু there are some cases where a single trait is governed by more than two genes. Such traits are known as polygenic traits. Tinikwa traits bilako kami kom polygenic traits, and such kind of inheritance is known as polygenic inheritance. Okay, so traits, we have already studied that every trait is controlled by two genes, but there are some exceptions in which a single trait is controlled by more than two genes. Such kind of trait is known as polygenic traits, and such kind of inheritance is known as polygenic inheritance. And the genes involved in polygenic inheritance are called polygenes. So clear polygenic inheritance, polygenes. Example whole human skin color. Example of polygenic inheritance is human skin color. So whenever a single trait is controlled by more than two genes, we call it polygenic inheritance, and genes involved in polygenic inheritance are known as polygenes. So human skin color. Human skin colorত কি থাকে melanin থাকে. Which decides the pigmentation. Okay, the complexity is defined by melanin. যিমানে বেছি melanin হিমানে complexion তো কি হয় dark হয়. Okay, তো melanin decides the skin color in human. It is determined by 3 pair of genes. 3 pairs of genes means total keta gene 6 genes. Okay, so there are 3 pairs of genes which control this specific pigmentation, that is melanin. So, and it was studied by Davenport. The name of the scientist who studied is Davenport. So human skin color to control hoy, pigmentation to control kore melanin. Melanin decides the skin color in human. It is controlled by 3 pairs of genes, that is 6 genes, and this and all this study was carried out by Davenport. Okay, so এটা মই example দি আছো. How can gene tour পৰা আমি কেনেকে কব পাৰো melanin secretion or ওপৰত comment কেতিয়া pigmentation very dark hobo কেতিয়া dark hobo ঠিক আছে. So this is the first case in which AA BB CC মনত ৰাখিবা total 6 genes are there. This is the first case. Here all the genes are গোটেকেটা genes কি হৈ আছে ইয়াতে dominant নে recessive নে কি হৈ আছে capital A গোটেকেটা আছে dominant. All genes are dominant. ইয়াতে পিগমেন্টেশন টু কি হ'ব what will be the pigmentation will be very dark clear whenever all the genes are dominant the pigmentation will be very dark second case is capital A small a capital A small a capital B capital B capital C capital C so here you can find only one gene is recessive okay one gene is recessive whenever a single gene is recessive what will be the complexion ki hobo first jete all dominant thake very dark jete eta single recessive hobo we can say the complexion is dark thirdly A B capital B small b C to yate keta ase duta recessive gene ase two gene is recessive yate ki hobo we can say here the person is fairly dark clear next hobo condition number 4 is capital A so here 1 2 3 three genes are recessive so here we will say this is the case of intermediate this is the case of intermediate হৈ গল যেতিয়া all genes are dominant very dark যেতিয়া one gene is recessive the complexion is dark when two genes are recessive the person is fairly dark when three genes are recessive তেতিয়া হলে কি হৈ যাব intermediate এটালকে কেস ফিনিশ হোৱা নাই the fifth case is কেটা recessive gene 4 genes are recessive whenever there are 4 genes are recessive তেতিয়া হলে কি হ'ব এবাৰ we will go towards light তো first কোনটো level হ'ব fairly light clear next হ'ব এবাৰ 5 genes will be recessive the person will be this time কি হ'ব fairly light ৰ ওপৰত কি আছে dark আছে তো ইয়াতে কি হৈ যাব light okay and যেতিয়া গুটি কেটা gene recessive হ'ব all the genes are recessive then the person will have very light complexion so by looking at the genes itself you can see what is the complexion of the person ঠিক আছে this clear now whenever 6 genes are recessive the person will be very light okay so there a cross thake small a এইটো ক্রসত okay in human skinote human skinote to এইটো ক্রসত number of gametes কিমান produce hobo what will be the number of gametes produced anyone for this cross what will be the number of gametes produced okay to এইটো সোয়া ইয়াৰ পৰা কি আহিব a b c ইয়াৰ পৰা কি আহিব capital A capital B capital C তো এটা যদি ক্রস করো আমি কি পাম capital A small a capital B small b capital C small c okay number of gametes of formula কি আছিল 2 to the power n n মানে কি আছিল number of heterozygotes কেটা আছে 1 2 3 pair of heterozygotes 2 to the power 3, that is the number of gametes kiman hobo 8. Clear? N determines the number of heterozygotes. So my number of gamete keneke find kore aru method koi asu. Method yate ami number of gametes find korlu. Gametes kita ki hoy heturo moi method koi asu keneke ulai ki gametes ase. Okay. Okay, tapisot next hol ratio to ha. So polygenic inheritance ot ratio to ki hoy janane, like it's first begin korilu very light, then light, then fairly light, then intermediate. Okay, next fairly dark, dark, very dark. So this is the outcomes we have found. So the ratio is 1, 6, 15, 20, 1, 15, 6, 1. So yate 1, 6, 6, 15, 15, 20. Total number kiman hobo? 64. And the ratio is 1:6:15:20. Ako 20 par pisat same repeat kori diba 15:6:1. This is the ratio for polygenic inheritance. Okay, 1:6:15, 20:15:6:1. So ratio question to ahiba pare. Just ratio to monot rakhiba. Baki number of gametes keneke ulai and gametes types kita moi hikai asu eta. Tricks to find number of gametes. (20). 1:6:15, 20 है, intermediate 20. अच्छा, so tricks to find gametes. Okay, gamete number and gamete to ki hobo. First condition, first example to hol RR jodi thake tetia hole janai gamete ki hobo, R produce hobo. Eto to simple hoy ne. Capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. तो याते की होबो from the formula आमी मात्र साइसु number of gametes की होबो 2 to the power n. n किमान होबो याते number of heterozygotes किमान होय केटा आसे number of heterozygotes 2. तो 2 to the power, this is one heterozygote, this is the another heterozygote. So 2 to the power 2 is 4. 4 गम पालो number of gametes होय. এতিয়া আমাৰ gametes কিটা কি হয় উলাব লাগিব ন। তো এটা সিম্পল ট্ৰিক আছে, জাস্ট এটা সিঙ্গল লাইনত ফার্স্ট লিখিবা ফার্স্ট কি আছে r আৰু r লিখিলো ফার্স্ট লাইনত r আৰু r তাৰ পিছত এভৰি r ৰ কাৰণে কি আছে ফৰ এভৰি r there is a capital Y and small y হৈ গল। Similarly, यातेও capital Y আৰু small y. আৰু তো একো নাই, then just capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y. আকৌ capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y. These are the 4 gametes which we will find from this cross. Bujhi pala trick to? First line out, you just need to write the first what you have, capital R, small r. ठीक है से single line out लिखिबा. तार पिছত from every capital R you will have one capital Y, one small y. लिखिला. Similarly याते लिखिला. तार पिছত last ot equate কৰি দিলা হল. So this is how এটো হল simple, एकदम simple to इटा আমি next level to jump. এটো clear হৈছে? Any doubt? Okay. तो सेकेंडत की होबो सेकेंड एग्जांपल तो লৈ আছো r r y y p कैपिटल p দুটা ঠিক আছে তো ইয়াতে নাম্বার অফ গ্যামেটস কি হ'ব কি হ'ব 2 to the power n. So number of heterozygotes, this is one, this is the another one. A2 heterozygote no hoy, A2 homozygote hoy because both are capital P. So 2 to the power 2. Kabar kiba doubt ase niki A2 heterozygote kyo hua nai? Because both are. So number of gametes will be 4. Etya saba. Capital R, small r. Very good. For every R, there is a Y, capital Y, and small y. Capital Y and small y. For every Y, there will be a single P. Duta to P nai. Eta hai P ase. Clear? For every y there will be a single capital P. तो याते की होबो गैमेट तो होबो R capital Y capital P. याते होबो capital R small y capital P. याते होबो small r capital Y. याते होबो small. Clear? This is the second example. হৈ গল এটা নেক্সট থার্ড এক্সাম্পল যেতিয়া নিউমেৰিকেলস কৰিবা না তেতিয়া গ্যামেটস বিলাক উলাব জানিলে বহুত ইজি হৈ যায় and we will discuss about the like assignment in the next week or day after tomorrow কিতে ডিসকাস কৰিম R Y genetics or A2 chapter genetics or eta kam kora 1 week loi lwa next week or discuss korilam tene hole assignments okay mo groupot sobake inform kori dim to yate kiman hobo number of gametes হৈ গল এটা গ্যামেট টাইপ R হৈ গল Y capital Y small y capital Y small y but from every y এটা আমি কেটা p পাম দুটা p পাম এটা capital P এটা small p এটা capital P এটা small p okay এটা similarly হৈ গল তো গ্যামেটস হয় ইয়াতে কি হ'ব ক্যাপিটাল R ক্যাপিটাল Y ক্যাপিটাল P ইয়াতে হ'ব ক্যাপিটাল R ক্যাপিটাল Y স্মল p ক্যাপিটাল R Y P capital R small y p small p small y, small r, small y, capital small y, capital P, আৰু তো so total number of gametes কেটা হল 8 gametes are there. Clear? So it was like gametes ওলোৱা trick. সবৰ clear হৈছে না? তো এতিয়া মই next topic যাইছো. Next topic is pleutropy. Pleutropy. এইটো টপিকো আগতে এনসিআরটি মেনশন নাছিলে, এতিয়া রিসেন্টলি মেনশন হৈছে, ঠিক আছে? তো উই নো দ্যাট কি হয়, ডিএনএ কি কৰে, রেপ্লিকেট কৰে, দেন ইট আন্ডারগো ট্রান্সক্রিপশন টু ফর্ম mRNA, then it will further form protein. Protein to kami kobo paru after translation, okay? Protein to kami kobo paru final product. A good process to kami ko central dogma, which was given by Crick. F. Crick is the scientist, okay? So every DNA undergoes self-replication, types of transcription undergo hoy, mRNA produce hoy, then translation, then protein is produced. So DNA bitot ki thake gene, so every gene will be responsible for producing a single final product or a single trait. It was agote amar concept that every gene is responsible for producing one gene or a single product or a single trait hoy, okay? But after pleutropy is invented, it gives the concept that a single gene can influence more than one trait. So this is the concept, and this phenomenon is known as pleutropy, okay? Polygenic inheritance aru pleutropy major confuse no hoba. Polygenic inheritance ot ki hoy, a single trait bahut genes, yate ki hoy one gene many traits, okay? So opposite hoy. तो यारे एग्जाम्पल होल आमी पढ़िसिलो कि फिनाइल कीटोनेरिया पढ़िसिलो न, फिनाइल कीटोनेरिया. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज फिनाइल कीटोनेरिया. इन केस ऑफ फिनाइल कीटोनेरिया क्यों होइसिल? ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ एंजाइम फिनाइल हाइड्रोसिलेज, okay? And it can control ki hoisile, what were the mental retardation hoisile, skin pigmentation hoy, aru hair color effect kore. এই তিনটা কি হয়, বেলেগ বেলেগ ট্রেট হয়, ঠিক আছে? ইন কেস অফ ফিনাইল কিটোনেরিয়াত গোটে মেকানিজমটো পঢ়াইছিলো. ইট অকার্স ডিউ টু ল্যাক অফ দ্য এনজাইম ফিনাইল হাইড্রক্সিলেজ, ডিউ টু উইচ ইট এফেক্টস আ লট নাম্বার অফ ট্রেটস. ফার্স্ট হল মেন্টাল রিটার্ডেশন, সেকেন্ড হব স্কিন পিগমেন্টেশন, এন্ড থার্ড হব হেয়ার কালার. অল দিজ আর ডিফারেন্ট ট্রেটস. সো ফিনাইল কিটোনেরিয়া ইজ এন এক্সাম্পল অফ pleutropy, Clear? A single gene can influence more than one trait. So this is pleurotropy. Aru eta example hol Drosophila. In Drosophila there is white eye mutation. White eye mutation te ami gom paisu ki it will influence only the eye, white eye mutation, but it also affected the pigmentation of the eye. So hetu hobo example of pleurotropy. Drosophila, white eye mutation. It affected the eye color plus depigmentation of eye. Clear? Aru eta hoy starch synthesis of pea seed. Pea seed or starch synthesis is also an example of pleurotropy. So next week my assignments discuss korim etu topic like a gute chapter to as a whole sub topics hoi gol principles of inheritance. So go through all the lectures jar ji doubt ase. Next class be ready to solve the questions. Okay, aru moi Saturday new like next topic to start kori dim. Aru aji ji porhila clear hol gametes form number of gametes aru gametor jitu type keneke ulai hetu bahut important hoy numerical solve koribo karone. Thik ase? Pleurotropy aru polygenic inheritance or majot confuse nohoba, both are opposite phenomenon. And phenylketonuria monat rakhiba because NCERT bookot mention kora ase phenylketonuria is an example of pleurotropy. Aru chromosomal like Mendelian disorders what ami porhilo thalassemia duta type alpha and beta aru tare genes keta aru chromosome number keta monat rakhiba. Next color blindness ki hoy female are sex linked recessive and females are less infected. Okay, males are bahut beshi probability thake because males or etai X chromosome thake aru hetu jodi allele tu ahi jay tita hole male tu affect hoi jaba, but female at eta allele affect holeo it won't hamper. Okay, the female will behave as normal. So I will wind up the class now. Thank you everyone.